guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, nakita nyo, we are very excited kasi nga we are heading to Manila, and then we're coming from Pangasinan, guys. So 3 hours drive papunta sa Manila, which is in Pasay. So guys, are you ready for this kind of road trip and fun, exciting adventure for today's video? What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so now we are in Savoy Hotel. So makikita nyo guys, you don't see there's a swimming pool there.
No, we're too high up now.
So we're 9th floor.
Yeah, it's 11 floors in total.
So before, we're in 6th floor guys. If you see earlier, we're in 6th floor because my mom and my papa is on 6th floor. So we are on 966 people.
Works this time.
Really?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Oh, it's already one in here. Oh, it's very cold.
Ooh.
Wait, I think we can turn some lights on. There we go.
Okay guys, so yes. So it's very same room. Kung nakita nyo kanina guys. So
Yeah, so the whole room is 50 square meters. So we're so the room is Savoy, which is pretty much just across the road from the Manila International Airport. So here in, I think it's a Newport, still in Pasay. You'll see from our view here. So right now we're just looking back at Barangay 183, which we used to technically live in back in 2017 into 2018, but we were a few blocks to the right. So we're all in the resorts world, sort of casino area around here. So this is the lounge room here. This is the desk to do all the international business.
yeah, so this is the one guys.
I'll open a few
So
more
you can
windows.
see here. So ayan guys.
So it comes with 2 coffee capsules, so you can actually make like a capsule coffee. Except I think they got rid of a mini bar because of COVID. Because it says on the website that it does have a mini bar, but I think they must have got rid of that so people don't touch everything.
So oh la la, it's a fancy. We have 2 tablet here capsule. So we have the pasalubong for the Filipinos. And we have the water in Savoy guys. So this is Savoy Hotel Manila. I think they have another branch too, but this is a bed.
It's like an international brand.
So bed guys.
So this is...
Bed for tonight. So you can see here the
There you go.
Naiya Terminal 3 people. Nakita nyo yung Cebu Pacific people. So you cannot see any Philippine Airlines because this is not the home band of Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines is on Terminal 1 and 2.
Yeah, so we have a skyway here, which I think leads you to Valcarta down towards where Moa is. If you keep following that way, yeah, you can see pretty much part of the runway there. So you probably see planes either landing or
So
taking off
there's a
soon.
lot of now here guys. When we live here, like back 2017, wala pa yung mga ganyan, mga trees. Before, it's only like no trees at all. Now they have a lot of trees.
There's a Barangay Hall.
So you can see the view of
Is that Makati?
Makati.
Yeah. I can't tell where BGC is. I reckon it's probably to the right there,
Yeah, at the
or
back of
maybe
the
it's
Emperador.
hard to tell where the separation of Makati and BGC is
I
from
think
this
there's a
direction.
Makati one, the one on the one for triangles there, going to the Magallanes.
Yeah, that must be BGC to the right because there's a bit of division, but because it's all like cloudy or
So
smoggy out
people cannot see us because I think the outside color is black. So the only thing is we can see them, but they cannot see us back.
there.
So anyways, our room tour for today guys, we are here for one night. So it's a fancy.
So there's like nearly 70 something channels on the TV. So it does have like a smart TV, so there's Netflix and all that here. There's 2 TVs in here. I mean, if you look back that way, this is the TV in the bedroom. There's another TV in the little lounge area. The bed is soft as well. Oh, It's gonna be good for my hips. No more hard, like foam mattress. Where's the Bible? The Bible must be on that side. I think it's
So, ayan na guys. Nakita nyo ang ating lounge, our coffee area, and now we are heading to the bathroom.
So it's come to the phone there. I don't know if that's a message on there, but it's flashing.
Why, like, they have an extra key? So, yan guys. So, we have the
business throne, the toilet.
the Savoy, guys.
So it's got all the towels here as well, ready to go.
Towels.
So I'm taking over here. What's up, guys? So here we've got the pasalubong. So we've got 2 dental kits, which is probably just for toothbrush and some toothpastes. There's a vanity kit, which I think is just going to be cotton buds and maybe some cotton pads. Shaving kit, so there might be a disposable razor. There's a couple of face washes. That there, I reckon, is probably a hair cap or shower cap. We have some body lotion, a couple of glasses, hair dryer, makeup mirror, and we have probably a really, really large shower here. So it's actually like fully walk-in. It's probably a couple of square meters. So there's a basin, a shower head up there. And you have your conditioner, body wash, shampoo. There's a mixer there. So it's actually quite a large shower that you just walk into, so no having to step into a bath. I'm not sure if InDaynaMo show is ready, so we've got there's a torch here. I'm not sure if it turns on. Did your parents have a robe? I don't think they had robes in their room. Oh, there he goes. It's back there. So we have a couple of Savoy robes. We can't take those with us. I'm guessing they're just to wear around the room, which I'm sure I'll put on later on just for great content. There's an iron there, ironing board, one of those luggage racks. Chichinellas, is it? Oh, chinellas. Just a laundry bag up there. Safe, couple of drawers. So yeah, this here is actually bigger than our old apartment when we used to live in BGC. So this is 50 squares. Definitely got a lot larger, I was going to say bathroom. And look how many windows there are. I mean, there's like 4, windows wide on this side. And then you go to the bedroom and then there's like another whole bunch of windows. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this side here. So there's a lot of natural light here if the sun was out and wasn't so sort of cloudy today. So yeah, quite a nice view. I'm sure it will look good at night time as well because you've got all casinos and stuff next to us, and you'll get all the office buildings in the distance there. So yeah, one of the gyms I used to go to was down left of a Buttongo building there. Probably can't see it there. So we used to live around this area. So there's a metro, I think, behind the other side of this building here. There's a Starbucks downstairs, Anytime Fitness. I think there's a McDonald's down the bottom there where I'm aiming the camera at now. There's a whole bunch of restaurants. I think there's a Gilligan's or maybe a Jerry's down there as well. But because you have all the casinos, I've got all restaurants as well. So yeah, you got your business table there. A lot of artwork. Like I said, bed's comfortable. So yeah, guys, we'll catch you later on. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah.
So, that's it guys. That's our road trip from Pangasinan to south of Pasay, which is in Pasay City in Manila. So, nakita nyo ganina guys, it's been a road trip from the north going to the south, from Pangasinan to Manila, which is in Pasay. So, for a day. So, nag-start kami ng, I think, midday. So, we decided to go to Manila in an unplanned road trip. So, bira kami mag-unplanned road trip ni Jax. Because, why? The number one, guys, ay brown out. So, brown out dun sa bahay namin sa Urdaneta for a day from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, wala kami magawa because the mall is like generator, wala naman kaming gagawin sa mall since we are always in the mall like on a weekend. So ngayon, we try to go to the Manila. But remember guys, if you're in Manila, traffic, it's very traffic talaga guys since we arrive here in Manila. Very traffic guys. So we decided Jack's book for instant, just a quick getaway from Pangasinan to Manila. So we stay here in Savoy Hotel Manila guys, in front of Terminal 3 sa Naiya. So if you are very familiar, or if you know, if you've been in, if you arrive in Terminal 3, nasa harap lang siya ng Terminal 3, which is in Newport. So diba, Hilton, Resorts World, and then dulo noon may Kalabaw, yung para mag-run about ka guys. So kita mo ang Savoy Hotel Manila. So it's very a 4-star hotel guys. So it's good for a night or a few days to stay. So dati kasi we live in Pasay, which is in Newport. Sa likod lang kami ng Resorts World. We have a condominium there. So, we're very familiar in Pasay, and it's been a while since we are back. So, nung dumating kami sa Manila, so, gabi na yon. So, we just arrived in Manila, going to the Pangasinan. It's late evening, so it's very tiring. So, hindi na namin nakita, and we don't figure it out. It's very traffic, even though it's in Skyway. Very traffic talaga. So, nakita nyo kanina, we stay in Savoy, Manila, in Newport. So, nakita nyo ang binook ni Jax. There are also a lot of rooms there. And that's my first time in Savoy, guys. And there's a big difference now since we live there like 4 years, I think. 4 years. We've been there like 2017 or 1921. 4 years now. I think more than 4 years. So, it's like a so once you book in Savoy Manila Hotel, the breakfast is included also. It's a good thing kasi you don't need to get out to get a breakfast in McDonald's or Macros because they serve a breakfast only. They're also serve a breakfast. So, you don't need to worry anytime soon when you wake up in the morning. So, ayun na nga, one night lang kami guys. And I know you see earlier in the video, ang aming room tour. And then, we bring my mom and my dad, my papa and my mama. I call him mama and papa. So, anyways, nakita nyo kanina ang ating accommodation dun sa Savoy. So, we chose the deck suite. So, yung the deck suite guys, ay meron siyang one large double bed. We have a same room with my papa and mama, with my parents. So, different floors lang na nakita nyo kanina. So, they also have a 53 meters yung laki niya guys. Nakita nyo, laki. Kita nyo airport, kita nyo gilid na Newport on the side. At the end, they also have air condition. They also have a private bathroom. They also have a flat screen TV. The usual thing. Pero mas malaki lang siya, mas bigger lang siya. Para siyang one bedroom sa isang condominium guys. Mas malaki pa yung condominium na to kasi sa condominium namin dito sa Newport before. So, it's very spacious, this one. They also have, of course, a free Wi-Fi, a breakfast included on this one, and it's very comfy kasi nga it's a foreigner of a white people bed usually kasi diba kapag bed sometimes yung sa mga hotel matigas, pag tumalong ka matigas, aminin nyo yan. So yung yung bed doon talagang malambot, talagang pag tumalong ka babaksa ka talaga sa ilalim. So anyways, maganda yung feature ng room. So, they also have different types of rooms doon. Depende if what you are looking for. So, ayun na nga guys, madami maganda doon. Madami, they also have a family. If you're travel for a big group or a group family, a pair, couples, and many more. So, ayun na nga guys, after na pumunta kami sa IKEA, di sa MOA, and of course, napaka-traffic guys, even though na mag-skyway ka, traffic. So, we are in the middle of Pasay kasi. So, it's like a few minutes, like 40 minutes talaga siya, hour going to MOA. which in kay Kia, and this is our first time. Hindi ko na na-video kanina kasi nga medyo busyhan kami sa pagpicture ng aking papa doon. So my parents first time, to Jackson I's first time also in IKEA Philippines. And if you haven't yet checked other my IKEA in Australia, palagi kami nasa IKEA ni Jack sa Australia. So we just wandering, strolling around what is inside of IKEA Philippines, Manila. So ayun na nga, after that kumain kami, nagpicture kami, and ayun na nga guys, nakita nyo ating room tour dito sa Savoy Hotel Manila, and our experience is very excellent. Nakita nyo naman, very comfy, and maganda rin ang prices, very affordable. I think it's cost like 9,000 per night dun sa ating the deck suite. Yeah, 9,000 siya guys. So maganda siya sa mga honeymooners, couples, parents. So, na-experience ko lang yung gusto ko i-experience sa aking parents, sa papa ko, sa mama ko. So, ayun na, pinakita na namin ang ating traveling a day road trip papunta ng Pasay. So, that's the end of our video for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out these wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah! Ciao la!